Hello guys and welcome back to another video. So today I'm bringing you guys another make money online business opportunity that you can tap into, okay? And today I'm going to be talking all about the Temu affiliate program. So if you guys have ever shopped from Temu, I'm sure you are aware of the fact that Temu is one of the largest e-commerce platforms right now in the world, and they are literally disrupting the e-commerce space, okay? Now, what a lot of people don't know is the fact that you can actually earn on Temu. If you are shopping on Temu right now, did you know, right, that you could be making money, okay? You could be making money just recommending those products to other people. Seriously, that's what affiliate marketing is all about. You recommend products and then Temu pays you a commission. And the beauty about Temu is there's so many different ways that you can earn on the app. And I'm going to share with you guys how the strategy works, okay? So, what you want to do first of all is you want to register as an affiliate. What is an affiliate? An affiliate is basically someone who recommends products to other people and earns a commission every time somebody buys a product via your link or signs up via your link or whatever the case may be. Okay, you are recommending products or services or platforms and you are getting paid a commission. It's honestly that simple, right? But in order to do that on Temu, you need to first of all register as an affiliate so you can gain access to your own unique referral link that you're going to be sending out to people to make money. If you are shopping right now on Temu, honestly, you already have a gold mine in your hands. You are already a step ahead. You already have a Temu account and you should be using that to make some money, okay? And if you've never used Temu before, this is your sign to jump on this platform. Even if you wanted to just sign up just to become an affiliate, to recommend it to other people, that's another great way to make money with the Temu platform, okay? So in order to get started, the first thing you want to do is you want to register for your account. It's free to register. And to do that, you want to go to the Temu website, okay? Go to the Temu website, either on your desktop or your mobile phone, and then you want to type in this code. I'm going to leave this code in my description below this video, okay? Type in this code because that's going to grant you access to register for the affiliate slash influencer program, okay? So type in this code and then do a search, okay? And then that's going to take you directly to the affiliate portal, okay? So as you can see right there, Temu is literally giving you a welcome gift of £3 cash. This is like free money, literally free money, right? And if you are already registered on Temu, you can just click on Get Now and then it will prompt you to sign into your account. Now, if this is the first time you're using the platform, all you need to do is just register for an account. You can use either your email or your phone number and then just sign in. And then that's going to automatically put that £3 into your withdrawals. Okay. So you're going to be able to withdraw it once you reach the minimum threshold in terms of your earnings. But that's like free money literally sitting in your account, ready for you to cash out. Like it's insane. Now, once you're registered, it's going to bring you to a page like this. So this is a new account right here. As you can see right here, you already have £3 available. And once you hit £20 minimum, you are going to be able to withdraw that money. Okay. Now, the first thing that I really want you guys to do, and this is perfect for you guys who already have at least 1,000 social media followers. If you have a TikTok account, an Instagram account, or a YouTube channel with at least 1,000 followers, you can go ahead and authorize, right? You want to go ahead and authorize this. So what is going to happen is when you click on authorize, Temu is going to ask you what account you want to connect to your Temu store, okay? All you are literally doing is just connecting Temu to your social media account. And all they're going to do is they're not going to have access to your personal details. They just want to make sure that you are a legit person, okay? It's confidential, it's, safe, so don't feel like they're going to steal your details or whatever the case may be. So all you want to do, guys, if you have at least 1,000 followers, it's not going to work if you have less than 1,000 followers. If you already have a TikTok account where you are very active, or a YouTube account or Instagram, and any account that you are most active and you have at least 1,000 followers, use that account. And then once you click on authorize, it's going to take you through the process of logging into your account to confirm that you are who you say you are. Okay. This is to prevent things like spam activities and things of that nature. So what I really want you guys to do, first of all, is I want you to go ahead and authorize your account. Okay. Once you do that, you are going to be able to earn up to £190 credit. This is money that you can use to buy products on the Temu platform, guys. Like this is insane. This is insane. You're literally getting access to free products by just authorizing your social presence. You can use that credit towards purchasing any products on Temu. Have you guys seen those videos online where people are saying, oh, look at the box of the free products I just got from Temu? They are doing affiliate marketing. They are doing affiliate marketing and collecting all those freebies. And all you have to do is just create content around those products and you can also make money just reviewing those products. It's just an additional stream of income right there. So the first thing you want to do is you want to make sure you go and authorize your social media account, make sure you have at least 1,000 followers. Okay. Once you've done that, it's going to go through a review process. Could take some days for that to happen. And then once it's authorized, you're going to unlock access to ways to make even more money on the app. Now, if you don't already have 1,000 followers on social media, what you can still do is you can still earn using the other strategies here. As you can see here, you can actually send your link to someone else, right? Just share this link with your family members, friends, right? And just invite them to join Temu, to download the Temu app on their phones, right? And once they download the Temu app, guys, guess what? You are going to make £6 or whatever, the amount is equivalent to in your country, because it's different for every country. I'm in the UK. So this is what we get in the UK. Like, you can literally make $6 for just sending your link to someone. Just click here, copy that link, and then you're going to send that to someone else to download the Temu app on their phone. Once they've downloaded the app, you are going to get that money straight into your account balance right here. Think about it. If you can send that to just 10 people, you've got $60 of just money sitting there that you could be cashing out on. Okay. So that's one other way that you can make money here on Temu. Another way you can make money here is, you can review these products, and then you can create content and send them to your affiliate link, linking them to these different products. And then every time they buy the product, you earn a commission, which is just insane. Okay. And then, of course, there's the influencer one here. You are going to gain access to that influencer portal once you authorize your social media account. So you need to do that to unlock access to bigger earning. As you can see right here, 625 rewards per month. Like, this is insane. Like, look at that. Look at that. Look at that. This is insane. So many benefits here that you can gain access to. And here's another great one, guys. Here is another great one. You can invite other people to join the affiliate program, right? Similar to what I'm doing right now. You can invite people to join the affiliate program. And every time you invite somebody, right, to join the program, you have the potential to make $43 per invited affiliate that goes on to sign up, right? Think about it. If you can just go out there and talk about the Temu affiliate program to someone else, hey, by the way, did you know you can make money promoting products on Temu? You send them your link, they sign up as an affiliate, and this is how much money you could be making, guys, for just getting someone else to join the affiliate program through your link, right? Like, this is insane. This is actually one of my favorite strategies, just talking about the Temu affiliate program, because listen, I have an audience of people that want to make money online. So it works best for me. Just share this with other people. If they sign up, then I'm able to go out there and actually make some money for everyone that signs up through my link. So you can do the exact same thing as well. Just create videos talking about the affiliate program, and then you make money that way. But either way, there's all these other ways that you can make money with the Temu affiliate program, guys. And if you guys want to get started, again, go to the Temu website, type in that unique code, right? As you can see, it's going to take you straight to the page to get started. You can do this on your mobile phone, or you can do this on your laptop, your iPad, whatever the case may be. It's still going to take you to the exact same page, okay? So I hope you guys found this video useful with regards to making money with the Temu affiliate program, and I look forward to catching up with you guys in my next video.